Hello students, uh, today I'll be teaching one sum in Tally, how to solve it in Tally package as well as how to show that in your answer booklet. Okay, so I've chosen this sum. I'll read the sum. Use Tally to prepare books of accounts and trial balance of Bhavna. 2023 is the year. Assets on hand as on April 1st given. Premises 4 lakhs, stock of cosmetics 1,50,000, water bill paid in advance 250, cash 4,000 and bank balance 16,817. So these many assets are having opening balance. So when we create a company, first of all, we have to make these accounts and record their opening balances. So let us start. First of all, we have to create a company. So press Alt F1, you will get this screen in front of you in Tally package. Then go to create company and create one company, Bhavna Cosmetics Company. Okay. Country India, state Maharashtra, or whichever state you stay at. Then press Ctrl A because the remaining things won't change. So now we have this Bhavna Cosmetic Company. Now, since some assets are having opening balance, so we'll go to accounts info and create those ledger accounts. Okay, so ledgers in single ledger, create. First, I'll make premise account. It will be under fixed asset. Fixed asset, inventories are not affected. Rest remain the same. Opening balance 4 lakhs. Okay, so difference is 4 lakhs. It is showing because we are recording asset side and there is no liability side recorded as such. So there will be a difference. Next is stock of cosmetics. Stock of cosmetics under current assets. Inventory values are affected. At the moment, we are not recording quantity, so no. Value is 1,50,000. So total difference is now 5,50,000. Then water bill paid in advance. Water bill advance. Again under current assets. Value is 250. Next, cash. Cash account and P&L account are there in the Tally package by default. So we need to just enter the opening balance by going to alter option. So now I'll finish with this bank account. Bank account under bank. Need not fill these details. Opening balance, I have to put as 16,817. Okay. Then we have to record opening balance of cash. So we go to alter because cash is already there. By default, that account is there. Just enter the opening balance of 4,000. Okay. Now we saw that there is a balance. Okay. So we go to create and create capital account so that the difference is wiped out. Okay. So capital account under capital. Inventory was affected, no. Rest remains the same. Opening balance will be equal to the difference 5,71,067. Okay. That's it. Now we'll go to other transactions and we'll see which other accounts we have to open. Okay. First transaction is on April 2nd. Fees received from client, it should be. Manisha in cash, Radhika and Monica. So here we'll make one fee receipt account and we presume that all are received in cash. So second account will be cash, which is already there. Just we need not make this parties account because cash is received. Okay. So when we receive cash, we need not make that debtors account. Clear? So here we need two accounts. Fees received. I think we should write cosmetic fees received. Is that fine? Received. This will be under direct income. Okay. Inventory affected, no. This is no opening balance. Okay. Next account. See next transaction, received an advance from marriage party. So I'll create account advance. Fees received. We need not mention that advance from marriage party and all. This will be under current assets. Sorry, current liabilities. We are receiving money in advance, so it will be current liability. If we don't provide service, we have to pay it back. Okay, no opening balance. Next is purchase by issuing check, cosmetics worth rupees 5,000 and purchase on credit from Lakme creams and nail paints worth 8,000. Okay, so first purchase is by issuing check. So first of all, we have to make purchase account. Under purchase, no opening balance. Then Lakme is a supplier. So Lakme account under sundry creditors will be no opening balance. Then next transactions purchase by issuing, that one done. Spent on advertisement. So we'll make account advertisement expenses account under indirect expenses. Printed pamphlets for distribution amongst the public. Again, advertisement account. So we'll include in that only. Okay, printed pamphlets. So printing and stationery I'll include. Printing and stationery under indirect expense. Control A. Then printing should be done from Vakil and Sons. So I'll remove that party's account. Vakil and Sons. Sundry creditors. Control A. Then paid salaries to assistants, salary account. Under indirect expenses. Next is fees received from clients in cash. So we have already recorded that cosmetic fees received. So it will be covered under that. Cash already is there. Spent on repairs. So repairs account is required. Indirect expense. Control A and press. Next. Telephone bills. So telephone expenses. Again indirect. Next, water bill. So water bill. Water charges I should write. Indirect expense. Control A. Done. So we are done with all the ledger accounts. So we can go to voucher entry. Okay. So now go to transactions and their accounting vouchers. Okay. So first transaction was fees received. So for receipts, it's F6. We get receipt. Okay. So this is in cash. I'll make cash account debit and cosmetic fees received. Okay, we can directly write total 7,900, 1,000. Okay, being fees received from Manisha 700, Radhika 200 and Monica rupees 100. That's it. Okay, we have entered the transaction. Next, received an advance from a marriage party 3,000. So again, it's a receipt under cash. We have received it's as a advance. Okay, how much is the advance? 3,000. Okay, you can write the detail in narration. Okay, being marriage cosmetic advance. Okay, you can write the entire detail in this narration. Next is purchase by issuing check and on credit. So purchase is F9. Okay, supplier, whatever number if they provide, we have to write here. We are issuing check and party name is Wakil and Sons. Purchase account. Cosmetics. Just a minute. I'll make one item here. Cosmetics. Stock. Since purchases are there, just make it primary only. There is no details of quantity, so not making that unit of measurement. I'll directly write the amount 5,000. On credit it is, wait, I have to change the party. It's Lakme, on whom we are buying cosmetics. It is 8,000 and will pass separately for those bank purchases. Okay. Now again purchase, whatever bill they have provided, and we are paying through bank and not any party. Purchase account. Cosmetic is the stock item. Amount is 5,000. Okay. Control A. That's it. Both the transactions are recorded. Next, spend on advertisement. So F5 for payment. Account. Advertisement. Sorry, we are paying through. Is it mentioned? Nothing mentioned. So cash account. This is advertisement expense. 750 is the amount. Done. Okay. Then printed pamphlets for distribution among the public worth was 1,500. Money payable to Wakil. So here we have to pass one journal entry. Okay, so F7. So it's advertisement expense account debit. Or rather, it should be printing and stationery. We are getting the pamphlets printed. How much is the amount? 1,500. 2. Amount is payable to the party name is Wakil and Sons. Yeah. 1,500 payable to them. Okay. You can write the narration if you want. Paid salary to assistants. So payment F5. It is paid by check. Okay, so bank account paid through. Then salaries. In salaries, amount is 8,000. Done. Then fees received from clients in cash. So receipt F6 you have to press. Okay. In cash, I'll record it under cash. Cosmetic fees. Amount is 7,400. Control A. That will save the transaction directly. Spent on repair. So F5 payment. I have to record. Payment is made through cash. So cash account. Repairs account will be credited and amount is 640. Okay. Then telephone expense again paid through cash. Telephone expense amount is 573. Water bill paid through check. So I have to write bank account after adjusting the advance. See, total water charges are 350 and we have to adjust on 250 advance. Okay, so I'll better show this under F7, or we have to, if it's possible, otherwise two separate entries have to be made. Okay, we'll make two separate entries. First, I'll pay 100 rupees through bank account. What's water charges? 100 rupees. Okay, so this part is done. I'll go to F7, journal entry for transferring that advance to water expenses. Water charges account debit 250 to, I'll cancel out that advance. Okay, water bill advance 250. Clear? That's it. So we are done with the transactions. See, I'll show you here in Word file how I have recorded or how you have to write down this transaction step by step. See, first we created all the ledgers, we created expense accounts, and then we passed entries one by one. We did put opening balances while we made the account itself, and we have passed these entries. When we received fees, cash to fees received of 1,000, we showed the detail in narration. Okay, you can show narration here also. So like this, you have to write the process which you have followed in Tally. Okay, apart from this, you have to show the trial balance. I'll show you how to have a look at the trial balance in your Tally package. If you go to gateway of Tally, then display, go to display, and the first item is trial balance. Okay, you can press Alt F1, you will get the details. Understood? So this way you can show that by going to display trial balance, we can have a look at the trial balance. Okay. Now again we can go to P&L. Here we can see the details by pressing Alt F1. See, water charges 350 are being shown. Okay, 100 rupees by payment and 250 by adjusting towards the advance. Understood? No? So this is how you have to show in your answer booklet what steps you followed. Okay, you can see the balance sheet again. Pressing Alt F1, we see the details. Okay, that's it, students. You can have a look at what steps are being followed while writing your answer in answer booklet. I'll show it from the beginning. Okay. So first, create company, open Tally, press Alt F1 to create a new company. Okay. Then create different ledger accounts, put their opening balances. Okay. Then create other income expenses accounts. Then date wise, show how you are going to pass entries. Okay. On April 2, as we go to gateway, I'll write here. Go to gateway of Tally. Then go to accounting vouchers. Okay. Then for receipts, press F6. Okay. For receipts. Okay. Likewise, you have to show which keys we pressed for which transaction and all. Okay. Then show all the transactions, how you have entered. Okay. At the end, how you got trial balance. Even you can show how we got balance sheet and P&L. Okay. Thank you, students. I'll stop recording now.